Black Brothers likes to introduce their Panel Express laminating line. To start, a panel feeder will push the panel into the panel cleaner with counter-rotating brushes. The brushes will clean the panel together, and then it will go into our glue spreader. This is the 775 Black Brothers glue spreader with liquid level and auto elevator. It will apply glue on this time. It will be a single top, but it does do top and bottom. As you see, as it enters our LIS, or Laminate Indexing Station, it drops the downboard gently, and then our operator will call the rack to bring out a laminating panel. The rack will come over, and one operator can operate this machine. He'll bring the laminate down towards the panel, and the rack will automatically move away from the laminating station. The operator will then activate the conveyor belt into our Panel Express. Now this Panel Express has 3 nip rolls, and it is heated with 4 IR heaters, 2 top and 2 bottom. The purpose of this is to basically evaporate all moisture in the glue. We use a high solids glue in this line, so you have 50% water to 50% solids. So the Panel Express is used to heat that water out of the glue. It'll then exit out at a degree temperature on the panel of 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, our one operator is still operating this board as it exits the Panel Express. And now after 20 minutes after cure, the board should be able to go into a CC routing machine, or however you want to cut the board up.